Today, we're diving into a fascinating and often debated topic: the possibility of a new ice age. Is it just a myth, or could it become a reality? Let's explore the science behind this intriguing concept. To understand the potential for a new ice age, it's crucial to look at Earth's history. Throughout the planet's long geological timeline, there have been periods known as ice ages characterized by extended periods of cooler climate and glaciation. Now, let's examine our current climate trends. Over the past century, we've observed a consistent increase in global temperatures, primarily due to human activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation. This phenomenon is often referred to as global warming. Here's where things get a bit tricky. While we're currently in a period of warming, some have used the term global cooling or new ice age to describe short-term temperature fluctuations or local climatic events. These terms can be misleading and create confusion. Climate science relies on extensive research and modeling. According to the overwhelming consensus in the scientific community, our planet is experiencing global warming due to increased greenhouse gas emissions. This is leading to more frequent and severe weather events, but it doesn't necessarily mean an impending ice age. It's important to remember that Earth's climate is influenced by natural factors, including the Milankovitch cycles, solar activity, and volcanic eruptions. These factors can lead to short-term cooling, but they do not override the long-term warming trend. The idea of a new ice age has sometimes been sensationalized by the media, causing misconceptions. It's essential to distinguish between short-term weather events and long-term climate trends. It's important to emphasize that while a new ice age isn't imminent, the consequences of climate change are real and significant. Rising global temperatures are leading to the melting of polar ice caps, which contributes to sea level rise and threatens coastal communities worldwide. Given the pressing issues related to global warming, efforts to mitigate and adapt to climate change are paramount. Countries and communities around the world are implementing policies and projects to reduce carbon emissions, transition to renewable energy sources, and build resilience to the changing climate. Predicting Earth's long-term climate is a complex task. Scientists use computer models to project future climate scenarios. These models take into account various factors, including greenhouse gas emissions, land use changes, and natural climatic variability. The primary driver of current global warming is the increase in greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, creating a greenhouse effect that raises Earth's average temperature. It's essential to consider natural climate cycles, like El Niño and La Niña, which can temporarily influence weather patterns. These cycles are distinct from the long-term trends associated with global warming. Addressing climate change is a global challenge that requires collective action. Governments, organizations, and individuals all have a role to play in reducing emissions, conserving energy, and transitioning to a more sustainable way of life. To combat climate change, various sustainable solutions are being explored, such as renewable energy sources, electric transportation, reforestation, and sustainable agriculture. These innovations hold promise for a more environmentally responsible future. In summary, while we're not on the verge of a new ice age, climate change is a real and pressing issue. Understanding the science behind climate change and the importance of addressing it are crucial steps toward creating a more sustainable and resilient planet for future generations.